Yo, 𝐂𝐸𝐴 over here, and this right here is not your regular C-Class. This is Mercedes-Benz C250 AMG line. This car is fast, it's beautiful. Let's have a closer look. I'm absolutely in love with the look of this car. The front bumper is super beautiful, super aggressive. I really like this. All right, we have AMG grille, we have fiber bonnet with vents, we have fiber white fenders AMG. Over here we have 19-inch sport rims from Vorsteiner and AP Racing big brake kit. How cool is that? Have a look. This car is absolutely gorgeous from every angle. Just look at the side silhouette. And behind, also very beautiful, we have a very nice boot lip. We have blacked out roof to match the look of the whole car. And over here, this is real exhaust exit, not fake exhaust as on many cars you see nowadays. Behind, spacious room for your passenger area, passenger aircon, Burmeister sound system, and black leather in great condition, and it is beautifully stitched as well. And of course, black color roof lining because this is AMG line. And now, let's go in. Alright, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very classy and sporty at the same time looking cabin. I really like all the wood finish here. It's matte, it's non-gloss, feels very luxurious. Of course, I always like to see a clock in a car, makes it very luxurious as well. Okay, I want to highlight these guys. Never seen this before. How cool is this? The aircon vent has been replaced with a turbo boost meter. So nice, so beautiful, so fitting. Of course, we have original AMG line flat bottom steering wheel with pedal shifters. It's multifunctional as well. Your speedometer cluster is there. Upgraded infotainment system also. And we have AMG logo over here. This car is really in a good condition and it drives super nicely. We have fully electric seats with memory for both passenger and driver as well. And as I already showed you, Burmeister sound system. Okay guys, have a look at this beautiful cabin. And another thing I like to see in cars, a place to store your sunglasses over here. Very nice as well. Alright guys, I'm sweating with excitement when I'm inside this car. One of the nicest Mercedes I've ever seen and been to and had a pleasure of driving. Alright, so on COE we still got 1 year and 10 months left. So just nice for a short-term drive and possibly a very good candidate to renew COE beyond that. Alright, so if you're looking for a C-Class that's beautifully done up, that packs a lot more punch than a base model because this is a C250, so it's got 200 plus horsepower. It's a very nice drive. You all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.